Introduction. Maslow hierarchy of needs is fundamental concept in understanding human motivation and behavior. The theory created by psychological Abraham Maslow in 1943 divides human wants into 5 categories, which is psychological needs, safety needs, and love and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. In this assignment, we will focus on 3 specific parts of Maslow hierarchy, which is safety needs, personal growth, and education and development. Individual must have basic safety needs such as security, stability, and protection in order to feel confident, capable of attaining their goals. This investigation will show how understanding and resolving this aspect of Maslow theory might be applied to their subject of business analytics, education and development. Education research repeatedly emphasizes the necessity of having a safe and predictable learning environment. A safe school atmosphere improves academic performance and extends student well-being. Anti-bullying policy, for example, has been demonstrated to lower anxiety and increase kids' sense of security, leading to improved academic performance. Safety needs. Ensuring people's safety is a fundamental necessity for their well-being. For example, user-friendly home security apps enable users to keep control of their surroundings and feel safe. In a similar simple alert system, guarantee quick access to get information in an emergency, boosting crisis management confidence. Meeting fundamental psychological and safety needs is intimately related to personal development. Maslow hierarchy of needs emphasizes how important it is to attain unmet psychological demands like rest and nutrients in order to reach higher level objectives. Therapy can also assist people in recognize their goals and self-actual.
Hi, I'm Rajeshwari Sautar. Now I'm going to talk about research and question based on IV and TB. The importance of safety needs. The first question, do you agree that easy home security app enhance user sense of safety and control over the environment? For personal growth, do you agree that individuals should address the basic safety needs before focusing on building relationships or pursuing goals? For education and development, do you agree that children learn better in school with safe and predictable environment? Now we talk about DV question, that social connection. First, do you agree that joining a community or support group help individuals fulfill their need for social acceptance and belonging? Let's talk about hypotheses. There are 4 hypotheses. First, safety need, which is about perceived disaster alert system, security online account, user-friendly navigation app. Second hypothesis is personal growth, which is focused about personal goal and relationship, self-actualization, goal achievement, and self-actualization. Third is education and development, that about predictable environment in school, anti-bully academic, performance and consistent teacher behavior, and stable learning environment. And the last hypothesis is social connection, which about health and feeling, reduce loneliness, and social media mixed effect. For this assignment, we use some methodology to do the analysis. For methodology, this study aimed to examine the social connection responses toward independent variable, which focus on in safety need, personal growth, and education development. To collect the necessary data, quantitative research approach was adopted using a questionnaire survey method. Data collection. The data was collected through a Google form survey, which was distributed online. We have gathered a sample of 60 respondents for the study. Measurement tool, the Likert scale to measure respondent social connection responses. The Likert scale consists of 5 levels, which is strongly disagree, neutral, and agree, and strongly agree. The design. The survey includes a set of question designed to access the independence variable. Each variable was measured with 4 specific items to capture a comprehensive understanding of how the factor includes the social connection in every individual. The data analysis collected from the survey will be analysis using statistical techniques such as descriptive statistics, correlation analysis, and regression analysis to examine the relationship between the independent variable and social connection responses.
Hi, my name is Brenda Gopal. The next part is standard deviation, mean, and maximum value including the t-test. The statistical data of 3 independent variables shows issues such as access to food, job security, safety, and benefits at work. The mean and medians of the questions are close to 4 or 5. The standard deviation is varies. Statistical data of dependent variables show strong agreement towards their self-worth. The mean of this variable is 4.48. The median and mode is 5 and no missing responses. The standard deviation is 0.68. The t-test shows different hypotheses regarding behavioral and psychological phenomena. The hypothesis represents the null hypothesis, define no difference, and has a test value set to 0. The 95% CI of the difference has lower and upper bounds as follows, and the mean difference is 4.01667 and 4.2568. Normality test. The significance value of the normality test is less than 0.001, indicating that the data are significantly deviant, not normality. Present correlation. The correlation matrix presents two-tailed sample size for four variables. The SE and SN has weak positive correlation, which is 0.074. The SE and PG has weak positive correlation, which is 0.059. Moreover, the SE and ED has weak negative correlation, which is negative 0.115. SN and PG has weak positive correlation, which is 0.159. But the PG and ED has correlation. Correct bar alpha for safety needs. The correct bar alpha value is 0.641. The mean is 16.25000. Variance equals to 7.479. The standard deviation is 2.73474. The high item total correlation value is 0.508. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly increases to 0.517. The lowest item total correlation value is 0.374. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly increased to 0.611. Current bar alpha for personal growth. The current bar alpha value is 0.147. The mean is 15.85000. Variance equals to 5.181. The standard deviation is 2.27607. The high item total correlation value is 0.192. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly decreased to 0.080. The lowest item total correlation value is 0.131. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly increased to 0.342. Correct bar alpha for education and development. The correct bar alpha value is 0.134. The mean is 16.3333. Variance equals to 4.429. The standard deviation is 2.10461. The high item total correlation value is 0.101. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly decreased to 0.046. The lowest item total correlation value is 0.004. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly increased to 0.190. Correct bar alpha for social connection. The correct bar alpha value is negative 0.026. The mean is 18. Variance equals to 1.593. The standard deviation is 1.26223. The high item total correlation value is 0.110. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly decreased to negative 0.241. The lowest item total correlation value is negative 0.024. If this item is deleted, the correct bar alpha value slightly increased to 0.003. Present correlation. The correlation matrix presents two-tailed sample size for four variables. The SE and SN has weak positive correlation, which is 0.074. The SE and PG has weak positive correlation, which is 0.059. Moreover, the SE and ED has weak negative correlation, which is negative 0.115. SN and PG has weak positive correlation, which is 0.159. But the PG and ED has correlation, regression coefficient, and R square. Model summary. The model summary shows R is 0.154. The R square is 0.024. The adjusted R square is negative 0.029. The F change equals to 0.451. The significant F change is 0.718. And Durbin-Watson statistic value is 1.654. ANOVA. This score denotes a fact that shows the model is simply not statistically significant because it is too high significant value, which is 0.718 for the model given. Coefficient, collinearity diagnosis, and residual statistic. This shows relationship between dependent variable and independent variables. Collinearity diagnosis indicates some multicollinearity and the predictor. The residual statistic indicate the model fit. Multicollinearity. Collinearity statistic represent the percentage of a predictor variance that is independent of the other predictors. The SN and SC coefficient is 0.040, while the PG is 0.023 and ED is negative 0.077. Collinearity diagnosis. The condition index of 14.203 suggests the presence of moderate collinearity. The condition index is 26.149, denotes high collinearity. R squared. The histogram shows the regression standardized residuals for the dependent variable SE. The histogram of residual is roughly bell-shaped, suggesting that the residual is approximately normally distributed. P2P plot. The points are not lying on the straight line, especially in the tails. This indicates that the residual might not be perfectly normally distributed and may show some degree of skewness.
Conclusion. The analysis of the 60 respondents show that safety needs, which include personal growth, education, and development, are positively related to social connection. There is a positive standard deviation in the dependent variable, which show that indeed people prioritize their needs for safety differently. The standard deviation of the dependent variable, social connection, stands at 0.68, which means participants express a fair consistent regarding the question. This may mean that satisfaction of safety needs has been varying on their social connection.